Hi, this is Gold and today it's Sunday, 7th of December 2014 before the markets open for the new trading week. I'm Sofia Stavropoulou and this is a video signal for ForexID Academy members and FXholics Forex Signals apps users. I'm using ICHIMOKU KINKO HYO, Bollinger Bands Fractals and Stochastics. Let's go to the monthly time frame to see the bigger picture on the precious metal, and we see that after a very big fall for a long time, for years, the pair reached the lower Bollinger Band, and stochastics show signs of possible reversal. It may be just a correction, we will see. Stochastics are making a bullish crossover. It's an early bullish crossover. We see the last candlestick being bullish, but we don't have any other signal to make any trading decision, and Tenkan-sen is a bit away from where the price action currently is. So we wait to see. The biases are more bearish than bullish, but we wait to see if the price will make just a corrective move up to the Tenkan-sen level or even to the level of the medium Bollinger Band, then make a swing high above the medium Bollinger Band and continue falling, because a swing high or an up fractal above the medium Bollinger Band will signal the continuation of the fall, or it will find the strength to make the medium Bollinger Band horizontal and then bend it slightly upwards and make the big reversal. We will see. For now, the monthly doesn't give us any hint about true market's intentions. On the weekly, we must wait to see if the bullish price Tenkan-sen cross will happen, and we don't just want the price to cross and close above Tenkan-sen, the red line of ICHIMOKU KINKO HYO, which is at the time confirmed by stochastics that both go up. We also want to see Tenkan-sen being curved upwards. Otherwise, the distance of the price and the leading Kumo shows that there will be a lot of price action before the pair will succeed in reversing, and possibly there will be some sideways or even zigzag move before it decides to change direction and instead of falling start going up. So for now we must be very careful if we want to take a long trade. If we want to buy, we want as many confirmations as possible, and because the weekly is a huge time frame and we are talking about gold with huge leverage, so we should rather go to the smaller time frames and use our magnifying glass to find the correct trade setup. So we go to daily, and here we see that we had a fresh bullish price Tenkan-sen cross. Median Bollinger Band is going upwards, is sloping upwards. The pair is making an effort to make a bullish Kumo breakout. It reached the upper Bollinger Band and then made a statistical validation plunge down to the medium Bollinger Band, and the last candlestick has a big spike, which means that the statistical validation is complete and now it wants to continue going higher. Although stochastics are touching each other, and there is a possibility for a bearish crossover. If we wait patiently. We will know that after the markets open, but the picture is more bullish than bearish at this particular moment. Although I suggest we wait and we don't move, we don't do anything at all, because it is 50-50. Yes, median Bollinger Band is going upwards, but if the market starts with an aggressive bearish mood, then we'll see a strong bearish crossover of the stochastics and the very big bearish candlestick going down before we see the new zigzag action. So we can't exclude that scenario from the way things look like here. So let's go down to H4 and see if there is something clearer there. So on H4 we see that the price is at the lower Bollinger Band, stochastics go up, we have a down fractal here, but we don't have enough confirmations to enter long, to buy. So if we want to buy, we will wait, because we don't discuss about selling at the lower Bollinger Band. If we want to buy, we must wait for multiple confirmations, including a strong bullish price Tenkan-sen cross with Tenkan-sen being curved upwards, and we have to wait for that. If we want to sell, we must again wait for the price to reach at least the Tenkan-sen level, even better if it reaches the median Bollinger Band level, and even better if it goes all the way up to the upper Bollinger Band. So in both cases, if you consider buying, you must enter with multiple confirmations, for as many as possible. The leading Kumo, the edge of the leading Kumo is sharp pointing upwards, and it shows increasing bullish momentum. But this is not enough, because the price is far away from Tenkan-sen, so you want it to jump above Tenkan-sen, otherwise you may be trapped in a bearish, sudden bearish move. And we know that gold is making crazy moves. So one word for the H4 time frame: wait. H1, although it looks here more clear with these two down fractals at the lower Bollinger Band, that the and stochastics going aggressively up. Again, we don't have enough confirmations, because we don't have confluence, because we don't see the price crossing above Tenkan-sen. It's a bit far away from Tenkan-sen. The median Bollinger Band is sloping downwards. We want it to be horizontal, ready to bend upwards, ready to get curved upwards, and the price is far away from the leading Kumo. Is not close to the leading Kumo, it's far away, which means that the most possible scenario, the way things look like right now, is that the price will make a statistical validation move up to the median Bollinger Band, create a swing high above it. We may see an up fractal above the median Bollinger Band, even a crazy sudden big body bullish candlestick approaching, making a spike close to the upper Bollinger Band, and then it will continue falling before it reverses again. During its fall, it will make some zigzag action, and it will approach the Kumo, the body of the Kumo. And when the price approaches the body of the Kumo, then we should consider it more possible for the price to reverse, to go upwards. When we see this distance from here here. This is a huge distance, and it means that it will take a lot of time for the price to tame um, the Kumo and to tame the median Bollinger Band. So it's preferable to look for a nice short entry after all this bullish bullish mood is exhausted, rather than buying and expecting the price to go up. For now it will go up, but not yet as it seems. So no entry signal on H1. And on M30, although we had a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross, Tenkan-sen is not curved upwards and median Bollinger Band is going downwards, so we wait for one or more candlesticks on M30 to be definitely bullish in order to enter long to buy, or we will wait for this upward move to lose steam and we will enter short as soon as a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross happens. I suggest we go to even smaller time frame because gold has huge leverage. So M15, M5, M1 are better for gold. So we see that on M15 the prices in Bollinger Bands are in a contraction and we expect a boom. The leading Kumo, although it is flat top, belly down, which is a bullish reversal pattern, we see that although the price is going up and it crossed above Tenkan-sen, the leading Kumo shows bearish momentum increasing. So I think that we should stay out, wait patiently. Stochastics go up, they make a strong bullish crossover. The last candlestick make a cross above Tenkan-sen. We must wait to see if the price will truly go upwards and will decrease this, will make this body of the Kumo, of the leading Kumo, thinner. If that happens, then we should look for as many confirmations as possible to enter long, to buy. But if it is not the case, and if the price just wants to make a spike in order to increase its momentum during the continuation of its fall, then staying out and waiting will reward us with a very nice short trade. In case that happens, we enter as soon as we see a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross, confirmed by as many of our systems as possible. We place our stop loss above the flat top Kumo, and our take profit target, let me see, possibly we will have that move I was talking about on the H1 up to the median Bollinger Band on H1. So if the fall starts, it will be from that level, and we can safely place our take profit target at the price level where the price is right now, and a bit lower, around 1188.90. So for now we better wait. Let me see the M5. A big sideways movement. Here we see that the price has been fighting with the Kumo for long. The bearish Kumo became thinner, it changed into bullish. Price is trying to make a breakout on M5. If that breakout succeeds, it will be a very strong upward move. Otherwise, the continuation of the bearish move, of the downward move, will be deep. I think we should wait. Um, Again, the odds are split 50-50. Possibilities are as many, there are as many possibilities for the price to go up as for the price to go down. So we better wait. Thanks for watching and happy pips.